Renting the car remains one of the most convenient and flexible travel solutions, whether you're planning a vacation, heading out for business, or need temporary transportation. In the two-part AutoRentals 2025 Guide to Renting a Car, we'll cover everything you need to know about car rentals, including updates for 2025, tips to save money, and the latest car rental policies. Choose the right rental company. Selecting the right car rental company is essential. In 2025, reputation, flexibility, and vehicle selection remain key factors. Major companies like Enterprise, Avis, Hertz, and Budget still dominate with robust offerings. However, don't overlook regional companies and new online brokers, as they may offer competitive prices, flexible payment options, and perks that larger companies don't. Things to look for: user reviews. Focus on service and transparency. Wide vehicle selection based on your travel needs. Hidden fees policies such as cancellation fees and mileage restrictions. Book in advance. Booking in advance continues to be one of the best strategies for saving money. As travel demand rises in 2025, prices tend to increase closer to your rental date. A good rule of thumb is to book at least 1 to 2 months in advance for domestic trips and 2 to 3 months for international rentals. Compare prices. Comparison tools remain essential for 2025. Websites like AutoRentals.com allow you to compare prices across multiple providers. When comparing, look at the total cost, including taxes, insurance, and add-ons, promotions and exclusive discounts, flexibility of pickup and drop-off times. Understand the rental agreement. Before signing, read the rental agreement carefully. Some important areas to focus on are rental period and late fees, mileage restrictions. Look for unlimited mileage options if needed. Fuel policies. Full to full is usually the most cost-effective. Insurance requirements and the cancellation policy. Different types of rental cars. Economy cars are perfect for short trips and fuel efficiency. Economy cars remain a budget-friendly choice. Compact and mid-size cars are great for small families or longer road trips where comfort is key. Full-size and luxury cars are ideal for business travel or special trips where comfort and style matter. SUVs and minivans are essential for families, larger groups, or road trips requiring extra cargo space. Electric vehicles, or EVs. As EV availability expands in 2025, these rentals offer fuel savings and eco-friendly benefits. Specialty vehicles are things like convertibles, trucks, and performance vehicles for niche preferences. In the next video, we'll dive into what to look for in a rental car service, including must-know details about insurance options, fuel policies, mileage limits, and how to avoid surprise fees. Plus, we'll share expert tips to help you score the best deals and make your rental experience seamless. Don't miss it. Check back soon for part 2 and take the stress out of your next car rental.